We have a geometric progression where the second term is 24 and the fifth term is 81. Then we need to obtain the sum to the first 8 terms. So let's begin. So here, let's represent the first term by the letter A in uppercase and the common ratio by the letter R in lowercase as well. Now we noted the nth term of a geometric progression is given by an equals to a times r raised to the power of n minus 1. So using this, we are given the second term, which is 24. So we have a times r equals to 24. So let this be equation number 1. And also we are given the fifth term. So the fifth term has a value of 81. So that means a r raised to the power of 4, that's equals to 81. So let this be equation number 2. So what we'll do, we'll divide equation number 2 with equation number 1. So this is going to give us a times r raised to the power of 4 divided by a times r. So this is equals to 81 divided by 24. So a and a gets cancelled. So r raised to the power of 4 divided by r, that's r cubed, which is equals to 27 over 8. Now we noted 27, so that's simply 3 cubed and 8 is 2 cubed, so we have 3 over 2 whole cube, taking the positive cube root, so our value is going to be equals to 3 over 2. So we can use either equation number 1 or equation number 2 to obtain the value of our first term. So let's use equation number 1. So we have now equation number 1 gives us a times r, so r is 24 divided by r, so 24 divided by 3 over 2, so this will be equals to 16. So our first term is 16. Now that we have the first term, we can obtain the sum to the first 8 terms. So we will use the formula for the sum up to the n terms of our geometric progression. So here our value is greater than 1. So then our sum will become a times r raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. And this formula works whenever the common ratio r is greater than 1. So the sum to the 8 terms will be equals to 16 multiplied to 3 over 2 whole raised to the power of 8 minus 1 divided by, so r is 3 over 2 minus 1. And when we solve for this, this is going to give us the value 6305 divided by 8. So this is going to be the sum to the 8 terms.